Hello. Um, Today I will start with simple AMP implementation lessons because I think many people are mistaken about AMP. How can I say? So many people think that it's something like PHP or ASP, something like programming language, but it's just interface language like HTML. So it's nearly like HTML. As you will see, I will show you. Basically, this is my index website. So I will start with doc type, HTML, AMP, blah blah blah. As you see, the only main idea is calling components by script. So I will show you in another lesson about these components. For example, AMP YouTube. So you will see AMP carousel. So with only this you will call plugin, and then as you see it's nearly the same. So this is my AMP YouTube, very simple. Then user will see AMP videos, blah blah blah. Also sorry about my voice, I'm sure that my microphone is not very good now. Okay, the main topic is why we should implement our website to AMP, accelerated mobile pages. So nearly for 2 years Google announced about AMP, and AMP wasn't so good. So we had a lot of difficulties like AMP analytics. So it was difficult to count users or conversions, blah blah. But day by day, it's getting more updates. I will tell you about also AMP stories at another lesson. So I think the future is on AMP, and probably at the end of this year, Google will say that AMP is the strong signal of mobile, because you will see that nearly now my 70% of users are mobile, and 5% of them are tablet. So desktop are getting low and low. I'm showing last 28 days because I start to implement my website, as you see, and not all my web pages are indexed by AMP, but it's nearly all indexed soon. So I will tell you all results sooner. So I told you why we should implement. Okay, the point is everybody needs a very fast website. As you see, it's very simple. I'm using Cloudflare and some CDNs, and the results were good. Optimization, blah blah. Speed was unavailable because of Cloudflare, but my mobile results are very good. But the problem starts here. So as you see, this is my mobile website, and when users enter my website, it's getting more difficult. Okay, sorry for this. Oops, sorry again. So you see that this is my mobile website. Everything looks cool, but user has to load everything like this, blah 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 blah. I think maybe it's really fast, but nobody wants to wait more than 3 seconds on mobile. So The idea is like AMP's introducing video. The guy is waiting bus and tries to order bus tickets, but it takes too long. Okay, my visitor entered the website, then he or she clicked the prices, then this page loaded, blah blah blah, then I will get lead from here. So you should think about it. I'm on desktop now, so it looks very fast. Okay, but nothing is fast as AMP. The general idea is when you implement your website to AMP, it should be cool. So many people are implementing WordPress websites to AMP, so with shitty design, and so they are telling that nothing changed, even worse, of course. So look at my AMP website. User enter here. Can you see the difference with normal mobile website? Of course, there's some banner around here and some stuff. Sorry, on mobile everything looks cool. Okay, as you see, I have also two buttons here, WhatsApp and get free code. So it loads very fast, and okay, this is better, and nearly everything is same with my real website. And check out this, my prices. So I am trying to make conversion as much possible. So user entered my website, and maybe he or she will spend at last 2 or 3 minutes. So when we are spending a lot of time with loading, there is no idea. There is no logic about it. Okay, so I will try to show you everything on my website. Okay, here's my blog, and my blog goes to this, and one tries to click that. Okay, everything's so smooth. Even I will show you more details on mobile website tests. So I'm really sorry if this video is not very good for you to tell what you expect from AMP. Okay, at the beginning I spent a lot of time with design. So normally design is very simple, as you see. We have sidebar here, and this is the only my now AMP PHP. It's really simple. So as you see, we are doing same website like HTML and PHP, and I could include everything like normal website. This is my navigation, and it starts with AMP sidebar. As you see, we have now things stuff. So everything is so smooth. Even my icons are SVG, so it loads very fast, and everything's cool. Okay, for the beginning, I recommend you AMP templates. This is the AMP start page. I started from here. As you see, you could have a lot of stuffs, but I started with simple block. So as you see, you will, okay, same. I changed the of course logo, and I put some stuff. So I will tell my ideas to bring more and more conversions, like the form bugs here. Yeah, it doesn't work, but it's good. So let's download it, and you will see the template here, and by this template you could change everything. Okay, we have block AMP HTML, we have images. Also we will talk about AMP images soon. There are a lot of stuff to talk. Okay, this is page CSS essay. So the idea is CSS should be minimized like this, and generally the main problem about AMP is people are thinking that they can't do same website with their normal mobile website. No, you could do that. You could do everything you want with CSS. So I will show you my CSS. Okay, they are minified, but then I get bored. Okay, as you see, I'm putting nearly everything same with CSS, no difference. Even you will see here look at this CSS. It is simple like normal CSS. I put that background comma quote, yeah, for testimonials, so it looks more smooth. The only way that you can't load another JavaScript, I mean you can't show pop-up or something. You have to combine rules. These are rules for, okay, I will show you. For example, okay, this is the desktop. It's better to see now, I hope. So I'm giving you test. Okay, test. Don't worry about it because it's on the desktop. So when I click the button, you will see that. Okay. It's happened with XHR. Thank you test, your message sent, blah 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 blah. Okay, I can't show pop-up here. This is the only way to show success. I think there's another lesson for that. So when I implement my website, I had difficulties like this. Okay, this is Lightbox with galleries, and there are arrows here, you know, so user can move forwards. But on AMP website, okay, we got this only. So user has to click there and then go. That is all. Except this page, I think I didn't have any difficulties to implement my website. So we have carousel here, so you will see content, blah blah blah, and then we go. So it's a YouTube video, as you see. So things going smooth. Okay guys, we downloaded our template and we are using page CSS, but the main problem is maybe I couldn't make it. I will show you like that. Okay. I couldn't load CSS, so the main point is our CSS goes around like this. Oh, many, very long. So in every web page of your AMP pages, you should put like this. So it's not like loading CSS like with link blah blah. No, I tried, I couldn't do. So my solution for that is CSS AMP PHP, and my CSS is here. So at the beginning we made header. So as you see, my header starts here, blah blah blah. So we will split our page like this. Don't worry about this stuff, I'll tell it later. Navigation, header, CSS. Okay, start like this. And about canonical, why I have canonical? Because I'm telling non-AMP page URL here. So for the beginners, this was simple thing. Sorry. You will see at my source. My link rel AMP HTML is this, and my AMP page has this. So things going like this. So you could start with this. Okay, also I have footer, I have social, for social links, blah blah, there are for each. Everything's goes so smooth. So you should understand that you can't use span or style like this, you know. Okay, when you say like this, style, there blah blah. No, this is not okay on AMP. It won't accept your website. So it will tell that there's an error on that. Okay, I will show you. Even on my live website. Okay, I should show you very fast, very fast. Okay, to test your AMP page, check it from Google, AMP test. Okay, it's analyzing, blah blah blah, waiting. Oh, it's invalid. As you see, style padding 5 pixel is not good. No, it's not. So I remove it. And okay, as you see, this is really good testing page. It tells everything. Okay, say that blah blah. Okay, we are testing again. Okay, everything is fine. So If you want to submit to Google and if you are sure about that, submit it, because it's indexing really faster. And maybe I forgot to tell you, when Google cached your website, it will open in Google Cache URL, so it will load really fast from Google's cache, and I'm sure that it's got 12 megabytes cache for page. So don't worry about your big images or something, but you should be careful about image size either. So on this page I can't give a lot of images like 50 megabytes or something, but Google wants to sure about quality images. Okay, as you see, it will show you like this. So I could give you some examples I searched from. I hope I could find here. Language English. Okay, smart makeover Turkey. Yeah, I think it doesn't work on. Okay, sorry. Device is iPhone. Okay, as you see, there are some ads, blah blah, and here's my AMP page with logo. So there's a bolt icon too on mobile. I think I really should find a good mobile tester to show AMP results like this. Okay, so guys, I will try to tell you about implementing our AMP website, especially for PHP websites. So I recommend you to make a structure for that. Our developer was very how can I say, before me this developer didn't use any framework, so everything is macaroni here. So I made a folder like this, AMP, and the stuff rewrite rules are standing like this. So we have blog, treatments, contact us, dentist, blah 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 blah. So you could use head access for making AMP HTML pages. So it will be okay, I think. Google doesn't say that you have to do that, you have to do it for AMP. Even you could make AMP blah 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 dot HTML, but it's good to have smooth things like this. Okay, we have AMP page and normal page like this is our AMP, and when user clicks what's up, it's going like this. Okay, it's much better. Okay guys, so here's our first video about implementation of AMP, and I will try to tell you other stuff to implement. Especially we will talk about components, like here we have a lot of components. So especially this is our really necessary stuff, AMP analytics, and for dynamic content we have that. For example, AMP form, it's really necessary. user notification, a lot of stuff. So we will check all components on next lesson, but I think I will start with AMP form. So because the idea is always getting more lead and more successful sailing management. So I hope my video is good, and I hope my microphone records everything well, because it's 25 minutes. And so see you guys. This is my first video many years later, and I will try to give you some SEO tips with AMP and with desktop website. Okay, see you then. Bye.